So we are at this place called Blue Moon Elite Sports Family Restaurant, and this is some veg corn soup along with some sweet lime juice. And as you can see, we are overlooking a cute little lake. Yeah, I don't know how many places in Hyderabad have their restaurants absolutely overlooking a lake. And so I used to take a sip of it, and see there's an upstairs section also, and it's quite a cute and cozy place really. And I'll take a sip of that veg corn soup so that we can for instance, everything on the table, like for 60 bucks you get both the sweet lime juice, and this veg corn soup is just I think 129. Yeah, that's what it is. And yeah, so I think it's very budget friendly and it's a place worth visiting. So this is Blue Moon Elite Sports Bar and Family Restaurant at Bachupally. And I'll take a sip of this. The veg corn soup is really good. Oh my god, I think I'll be coming back here just for the veg corn soup because it's just amazing. So Ayush, what's your review of this place?
It's a 7 out of 10.
Yeah, absolutely. I would give it a full 10, I think, because it is a cozy and nice place to relax after a hard day at work. So do drop by, people. This is at Bachupally and it's called Blue Moon Elite Sports Family Restaurant.